Okay, so today I am unboxing a perfume and some incense from Hind Al Oud. The packaging, as you'd expect, is quite nice. On here it says that this was designed by Muhammad Hilal, so I don't know who this is. So this is actually, obviously, as you can tell with the name Hind Al Oud, is a Indian brand. Quite nicely packed. So this is again from one of their premium exclusive collections. I'm terrible at opening these, but so I'm just gonna rip it open. Okay, so if you wanted to give this as a gift, it's quite nice. It says Ever Deep Barari Limited Collection. Cool, didn't know that. Let's get this opened. Bismillah. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Okay, so we'll start off with taking this out. And let's get this one out as well. And let's get this out of the way. Okay, so we have the Ever Deep Barari perfume, and we also have the Bakhur as well. So let's get the Bakhur open. As you know that we're quite big and into our Bakhurs. Look at that. We'll have to light this. It smells amazing. Wow. Okay, and in terms of the perfume, Bismillah. It's a very different kind of smell. It's not strong. It's not got any strong oud in there, but it's got more like a fresh smell and very different, very unique. If the only thing I'd say is if you are passing a Hind Al Oud shop, so we got this one from Dubai Mall. They've got shops in a few different malls in the UAE. Go check it out. It's the Ever Deep Barari collection, and this is the limited edition. So go check it out and let us know what you think. Brilliant. Jazakallah. Thank you.